we have. I want to make a garden table out of these 4 pallets. Yeah, I want it actually quite big. So I finally made the structure, like the base. I found some leftovers of the wood from the house building. Screw here, screw there, seam at the back, and then I'll screw the wood on top this direction and leave some space because I still want to make a sink, but I don't have a sink, so I'm just gonna leave a gap. It's strong actually. So I just basically, well, Nate helped me, but we made the pallet more stable with putting 1 screw in the rock, and that required a big drill and a plug for the rock. I added this bit, which is kind of cool because I can hang things here like the digging tools and stuff, little digging tools, or maybe some flowers in the pots. And then I was thinking to make the top one from the pallets, but it's kind of either very thin or it varies in thickness, so I don't want the table to be like not level. So I asked Nate if I can use the leftovers of the balcony, like the terrace wood, and he said yes, and I am doing that. It's of course now it's like way too long, but I yet haven't decided how wide actually I want it to be. Let's finish that. I was thinking to maybe screw it from under it so you can't see the tops, but we're gonna be fine like that. Wow, it was really hard, this one. Look, I can use table as a table already. How nice is that? Oh, it's not finished, but maybe I will be able to find a sink and then finish. So it's not 1-day project, but 2 days project. Morning. It's Saturday morning. I was not planning to work in the garden, but I got the new sink, well, the old sink from the neighbors, and I'm just very keen to finish the garden table. This is the same leftovers, but it's not the whole piece of the terrace wood plank. It's like half, so I think if I want to use it, because I don't have any more, I need to sand it down really nicely. Well, sink is in. It doesn't look great actually. Yeah, the sink is kind of resting on these 2 woods, but at the same time it's resting on the back. and this plank looks quite like not straight at all. So I'll now do this bit, and then when I come here I can adjust things. I think that's the best way to do it. Okay, the moment of truth. Everything fits nicely. Zip, 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 and it's done. Well, kind of done. First, cut this bit and then reuse this wood for that. Now it's definitely too big. When I am here, for example, it's hard to even touch the end of the table. And the other thing is that once you lean on it, it's really not that strong. So I'm just gonna cut. I'll cut it in a nice curvy shape, so because I always hit things with my sides. Nice, I like it. Nice curves. The cool bits make it pretty. Boom. It will be one here, and then I'll make a bit smaller one that will go up here, so it will match this bit. From the other pallet leftovers, I will make the floor because, well, if I want to come here, I kind of want to step on. And the pallet itself is not very strong, but with the wood and the pallet under it, that's gonna be pretty great. So I have this much wood left, and maybe it's actually cool to have some solid sort of floor and somewhere water can go down. So let's see, if I have something very wet, I could just put it here and then it will self-drain. By the way, if you wonder why do I have my headphones over here, it's because I really like the idea of, you know, headphones that work not in the ear but outside the ear, so you can hear the music or the phone call or whatever, or podcast, as well as the outside, what's happening outside. I don't want to spend that much money, so I found if I just hang my headphones on my glasses, it's kind of similar effect. I can hear the music and I still can hear the surrounding. Nice. And finally, the last thing I want to do is to put this pipe. This pipe is also leftovers from our outside kitchen. The sink is very good in a way that it already has the connector, so basically what I need to do is to check this tube in and it will be job done. And I have a kiwi tree just outside the table so it can water kiwi.
Looks nice. This looks good, doesn't it? Very good.
Yeah, really nice. I'm now trying to put the
Oh yeah, yeah.
Wepa! I also want to do a tap. But how do I do a tap? I don't know. I was thinking a lot how to make a nice tap, but I just put one wood vertically, another horizontally, and put the hose around. That's it. Time to clean and finish. After 2 days, my garden table is finished. I am very happy. I'm very tired. I actually expected it to be a simple project where you simply connect 3-4 pallets and job done, maybe put something on the surface. But almost as with everything in my life, I start with a simple idea and then suddenly it becomes a crazy project. Well, for me it was crazy, but it's I don't know, it's very inspiring for myself that I can make it. I didn't spend any money. Of course I didn't spend any money because we had a lot of leftovers from our construction, that our neighbor happened to have a sink that he doesn't use, that Nate had all the tools and stuff. But other than this, it's just, you know, some creativity and some hard work, and 2 days later I have this really nice garden table. I hope it will last at least 5 years, because otherwise I'll be a little bit sad.
Yeah.
You're filming? Okay. So now I will use my table and the sink. I will wash my dirty hands and drink some water. And actually I need to wash my face because I think I was filming with dirty face all day. Anyways, works really well. At the same time we are watering the kiwi. Oh, I'm super happy. Comment under the video if you have any questions or if you want to share your experience. Also like the video if you liked it, subscribe to this new channel, and see you in the next videos of my garden.